Hi, I'm Randy Clinkscales, and I'm going to be meeting with you. And I thought I would tell you a little bit about myself and talk to you about the meeting. I'm an elder law attorney. I've been practicing for 40 years. But my practice really changed in 2004, about 16 years ago, when I began taking care of my grandmother. My grandmother had a chronic illness, and I took care of her for 10 years. What I discovered that though I was an estate planner, my grandmother had some unique issues. And that as we grow older, our issues are unique. It used to be that our planning revolved around what happens when you die. Now our planning revolves around what happens if you live a long time. What happens if you get sick? What happens to your business? What happens to your farm? What if you develop dementia? All of those are concerns that we have in our planning and that we're going to address in our planning. So let's talk about what's going to happen before the meeting. We're going to send you a worksheet, and you may have already gotten it. Do the best you can to fill that out. The more information you can give me, the better. The better answers I'm going to be able to give to you. But don't go nuts trying to gather everything. Just do the best you can. Secondly, and this is really important, we want all the decision makers to be there. So if there's a kid that you rely on to make a decision, or if there's an accountant or an investment person, we want them to be part of that meeting. If a decision maker cannot be there, then let's reschedule the meeting. Call my office and we're happy to reschedule. The third thing is, most likely, this may be by Zoom or by telephone. And if it is, don't be afraid of that. We're going to send you the information on how to get on that Zoom meeting or how to call into our office. If you have questions about that, please do not hesitate to call the office. We've helped a lot of people get on Zoom meetings. If they can teach me how to get on a Zoom meeting, they can certainly teach you. So again, don't be afraid of that. So let's talk about the meeting itself. At the meeting itself, you and I are going to go through the worksheet together. I'm going to ask you some questions. I'm going to talk to you about your health, because your health is important in terms of what direction and what tools we use to achieve your goals. I want to know about your family. I want to know about any special things going on. For me, it's almost like sitting around the dinner table talking with good friends. So you can be frank about what's going on. After we get done, then I'm going to tell you what first of all, I'm going to ask you what your goals are and what are you concerned about. Based on that, then, I'm going to propose to you some solutions. And if those solutions are acceptable, then we're going to go ahead and get started right then. And so it's important that you be ready to get started if the solutions are acceptable. This is a free meeting, a free consultation. It's a chance for us to be sure I can work with you and you can work with us. And if you can, then I want to get going right then. So bring your checkbook, bring your credit card, whatever, so we'll be ready to go. Again, I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to learning about you and your family. Thank you very much.